Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I will be explaining how to enter your sales tax into QuickBooks Online. This particular view of QBO is the Accountant Profile View. This is what bookkeepers and accountants should see, or something similar, when they enter their QBO profile. If you are a business owner, please feel free to check out my Business Owner View tutorial playlist. To get to the sales tax screen, enter the Taxes tab towards the bottom of the left-hand side toolbar. Once in the Taxes dashboard, select the green Get Started button. Doing so takes you to the Sales Tax Center screen, where QBO will prompt you to confirm, edit, or enter in your client's business address. Next is where you can enter your client's sales tax rates. Maybe they have multiple store locations, take projects in other areas, travel for shows, etc. Select the tax rate name, the rate in the payee agency, and the official agency name. Some areas have state sales tax and a city sales tax, so make sure to check with your client as to what was required of them when they set up their business operating accounts. Next, review and confirm your rates. Make any changes if needed. If everything looks good, click the green Save button. Once you continue through the prompts, a screen will pop up to ask how often you pay sales taxes. Select your desired and/or required filing frequency for each agency. And there you have it. Once setup is complete, it leaves you on the sales tax dashboard, where you can get a calculation of current taxes due, recent taxes paid, and you can filter through past tax payments and see which agencies are coming due. You can view your returns, edit settings, and access reports. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com, linked below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any more video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.